Morning guys, so today we're doing an attic top up with insulation and relocating a couple of exhaust hoses that aren't installed properly. So just for starters, for the pipe that I don't have exposed, that's going to be exposed through the insulation, I just put a little bit of spray foam on it. And then coming over here, you see they have a bathroom exhaust. It's not insulated, and this thing literally runs horizontally like 20 feet. Look how loose it is, just falling off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this hose off. I'm going to transfer this vent and hose over to the front, so it has a very short run to it. Put insulated hose on it, same as over there. I'm just going to change the hose. I'm going to leave the vent in the same spot, but change the hose with the better insulated hose. And look at the insulation. As you can see, it's not very much insulation in here. So I'm going to bring it up to 22 inches. That should give them about an R60, and then we'll call it good. See you at the end.
You know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.